Hi, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how I make letters with my Cricut maker to use it for my shadow box right here that you see. So this shadow box has flowers. I made a shadow box using flowers from my sister's wedding, and I will be giving this to her as a gift. And I'm working on this project to give it to her really soon. So here's my Cricut maker, and this is what I'm doing right here. And let me show you the process. It's very simple and easy to do. If you are interested in this kind of videos, let me know so I can make a more detailed video on each step. So this is the vinyl I will be using. I will be using white vinyl. I got this from Hobby Lobby when it is above, I think, 40% off. And it lets you know the blade that you need to be using. And here it is. Just double checking I'm using the correct one. And it needs to be the same as it is showing you on the design space on the computer. So I've had this Cricut maker since maybe 2 years, maybe a year or two, I can't remember. And I haven't used it that much because I started making wreaths. But I would like to make more projects this coming year, this 2023. So let me know if you're interested in those videos, and I'll be working on different fun projects for you to do. So here, as you can see in the video, it's just very self-explanatory the way I'm doing this. So everything on the computer, it just shows you a step-by-step on how to do it. To me, the most difficult part to do is the removing the vinyl to show the letters. Just because I think the font, the cursive font, was more difficult for me to do. So I ended up changing the date to just like a regular type of font because I was having a very hard time. And you will see at the end of the video the different font that I ended up using. So here it looks when it's cut. So this Cricut maker, it cuts your vinyl, and then you just take it off, remove the plastic, it was really hard for me to show you here with this video because I didn't set up the camera the proper way. But like I said, if you're really interested in more detailed video, I can work on it and give you another tutorial on how to make letters using your Cricut maker and show you the whole process and set up the camera in a proper way. So there you go. I already removed the top layer of the vinyl, and now I'm just gonna remove the little pieces of the letters. And there's the date. I ended up doing the date twice, but because it was in cursive, it was very difficult for me to remove it. So I ended up using a regular font, an easier font for me to do, and it was super quick after I changed it. So here I added this tape. You're supposed to add tape to the letters so that way it's easier for you to tape the letters into your project. So make sure it's really sticking into your tape. So that way when you remove the vinyl, all the letters or numbers are on the tape. And just take your time when you're removing the vinyl. It is a little time consuming when you're first starting, and you just have to be very patient. So you can watch a movie while you're making this. I was watching Netflix here, as you can see. I was just watching like a documentary. I don't know what I was watching, like a minimalistic lifestyle. So anyways, these are my numbers. This is the date. That's the date they got married. And I will be placing the date on this shadow box. So I noticed after I removed the tape that I didn't place the date very straight, so it's a little crooked. So you have to make sure you place your whatever you want to place that it's very straight, because once it's there, it's really difficult to start all over again. You can take off everything and then do it again, but then it's going to be more time consuming. So I just leave it as it is. So now I'm working on the names. And this one was very difficult just because it's cursive and it's very thin. So it was more difficult for me to do. So if my sister's watching this video, I really hope you appreciate this gift, because it was really hard for me to make. And it's the first time I do something like this. So really hope you like it. So I've never done this project before, and I just wanted to try something different and make a video about it and just show you guys how I did it. I do want to make different things with my Cricut maker. I want to make shirts, like different things. So stay tuned for that. I might do something for Valentine's. So here I am just removing the tape. And this is glass. And then I will show you how it looks with the flowers. So my plan for this year, 2023, is to be posting Mondays and Thursdays. So hopefully I do that and you guys enjoy my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye bye.